Hello. Hi, live trading, Monday. Nasdaq had a crash. And I'm considering entering this trade for long. Let's see if I can set it up. Let's see. The retest. Could go in for 10 to risk 15. Yeah. Okay, so $19.61. 19.61 stop. Okay. Then let me go long on the other thing. I'm doing it so perfect with all juggling. Already I'm up already 400. Let me go break even. 621. So what's my 660 is my entry. So 1962 is the break even. Okay, we're break even. And now would be nice to run. Let me enter it for you all. I entered at 660. Stop below here. Oh, stop was that. Don't stop me there. Come on. Give me 60 points. Ah, it's gonna stop me. Ah, it stopped me. I was too keen. Let's see if we can enter also with the evaluation. I was up 400 and we ended up with a nothing, with a cup of nothing. So we're playing that we are in a golden SNDR on the daily after a big drop, and it's around 1040. So the games are done. The drop has happened, and now considering if the short is losing momentum, and maybe I'm wrong. Also, I'm happy I closed it break even. I caught a nice 15-second swings, so we did take this break even. 2 points actually. I made 2 points profit. This is, if we read order flow, we retrace to 50%. It did a double top. If this doesn't take this low, then the double top will be taken and we should move up. So that might be our next entry. Stop buy at this level. I need to juggle a few. It is annoying, but it is what it is. I don't have a copier for between topstep X and a personal account. Personal account at one point, I will need to remove some funds to AMP. Something is happening. Double bottom into SNDR. I wish I could. Okay, I'll annotate it for you. This is SNDR. We did just a tap double bottom, so we need to move up. If we don't move up, we're continuing to the downside. So I've been rewatching the AFOP NQ God playlist, and it's been amazing. I recommend you all to go and check it. Yeah, so my hypothesis was that this daily SNDR would hold price and we would reverse here, and was looking for a confirmation, a couple of confirmations that this would happen. And so, okay, so things are working correctly as per plan, which is like this. Let me remove, well, we can leave our automated annotations, but so as you can see, this was went up. There is a wrinkle here. This is the area responsible. We did a double top, so this has to continue to the downside. Failing to continue, then we want to take the high. So I just want to see if I want to take a trade. This would be 20. So 2 minis. If you would feel like we can go long here. And this means 20, so it would be 40 on the evaluation. Yes. Okay, so this market, this price action followed the rule. So this area that was responsible to breaking, let me see, was responsible to breaking this level, was retested. There's a double top here, and we continue to the downside. So this is perfectly, well, we're reading it and makes sense. Okay, so this is the reaction, M43. We took it. Double bottom at the SNDR. How do we know the order flow has changed? Well, this is the SNDR. This is that's marked now. It's already marked. Let me remove this for confusion. This is the area that pushed us lower. And we're going to do a first test. If it's holding price, right? Then, if we close above here, so this area responsible broke this. You can see on a higher time frame, we did have a 1, 2, 3, not even an SBS continuation. Here you can see, I always forget to turn this on, right? So we can see we came back to retest the SNDR and we're continuing. So the order flow is still bearish. There's no need to catch reversals immediately. The only thing is that if the momentum is very strong and you want to, it's very hard to catch the V-shaped recovery, and you shouldn't even attempt it, to be fair, but okay, you can. So my indicator that some of you know and are waiting for annotated that we had an SNDR that broke this level. We came back once and we came back twice. So there have been 2 taps. And in fact, at the 7th tap, at the top of the 50%, we started to move down. And we came back exactly to 50% of this new zone. And then this was retested. So basically this was the perfect for a short continuation. I don't know why I was stuck in a, let's see if we can catch a reversal, which we should not do. Hey, why is my camera moving around like this? What's happening? This is what I wanted. Why don't you tell me? I should stream live so then you can tell me. So that was my higher time frame read for a possible reversal. And you know, this was a very nice short. We could have caught it from here to here. How many points? So wait for the break and retest. Okay, if you really wanted, you could enter earlier, of course, but this was an easy 30 points. And the actual entry, probably you could enter aggressively. I went long there. I was processing information, let's say. I was processing the information. This up close candle here gets closed. Market here. 25 point stop. Almost 3 hours and 70 points. That's nice. That's nice, and we didn't take it. Okay, let me check the daily for reasons why this reversal instead would make sense. Not that I got stuck in a bias. Never in my life I do get stuck in a bias, friends. So that was the golden SNDR that broke this level. You know, there's this one, but then this one is the one that anticipated pushing price across multiple levels. So, and there's also a fair value gap with even a hint of a BPR, right? This is what people will like to do. Let's do it. So this is the shared slice of price. We missed it. Then everything is a lie. Yeah, we missed it by how much? Okay, let's say that one is the one that you wanted really strongly. Why doesn't it show on this chart? I'd like you to show it on all intervals. Okay. Okay. VIX is going a little bit high. It's like saying people are panicking. I would not know why. Why? Everything is only crashing till the end of time. All right, let's see if we can catch an SMT. No SMT. No SMT. No reason to go long, to be honest. There is something we can mark, which is this initial let's see, potential inversions, let's call them. This potential inversion is interesting. Yeah, at least I'd like it to touch that, but we are in a gigantic daily fair value gap. That, and there's some, so let's draw some lines that give us context. This is nothing too useful because these ranges are big, but give us some context. Let's see, quadrants. Okay, so we have the quadrants of this fair value gap. Okay, so can we move them a little bit further using 4-hour candles or 1-hour candles? Okay, then let's use 50-minute candles. Okay, then we lock it. Okay, and then we have marked this 50-minute for later. We're still bearish. Okay, we did touch that sliver price action. Okay, then this is not that useful anymore, is it? Not that useful anymore. Okay, let's move back to the main screen. Keep our execution windows. Nice and tight. Okay. We did again a double tap, failed, all failed, confirmed the bearish momentum. The sliver has been violated, and the, maybe unlock this, 1 second, keep it till 11. We are in a daily fair value gap that needs to be rebalanced. The quantile levels would say, I have something beeping, apologies. Let me check. Give me a second. I need to make a call. And we glitched back. I'm sorry, I took a trade. I was on the phone. I forgot I was not recording. I was trailing this, and then it got me back at 20 points. I moved the profit to 20 points because it was moving very violently. So we did a 20. Basically, I got trailed here, this point. Now, I would say we continue to the upside, and let's see if we identified the moment of return. I did a continuation with the evaluation, not with the personal account. So let's see if we continue. So let's see how we can read this. So okay, we broke to the upside. There is a area responsible for breaking that green line, right? So this is an area responsible, and now it's pushing price to the upside. We came back and retested it. So to actually give it to see if it really holds price, or we're just gonna break down and continuing to the downside. Well, we need to give this the possibility to support price. So I see there's quite some volatility right now, and see, you know, we are very early in the process of developing a possible reversal. So reversals don't go in straight lines. They need to reaccumulate and retest the zones, especially after major breakdown in price. So I don't expect that, so it could be wrong. I'm happy that I could take this 20 points profit. It's almost 400 euros. And I wish I caught it live, I'm sorry. And now we're looking if this is gonna hold. So from a perspective of measuring taps and double taps, we did have a double tap here, and actually a retest of this origin, and so it's possible that price already rejected this. So now we came back and retested this inside this week. So you have to look at the details. We are now stuck in a range, but you can observe that this swing hasn't been violated, right? So we can put some eyes here. This swing hasn't been violated. We did a double tap. Now here, now we're gonna try to see which one of these two SNDRs is gonna win, right? So far, this area responsible has held. So we're pushing up, and I'm up. All right, 500 now. And I doubled, yeah, I had the stop buy there, so up 700. and break even. Up 700, and see if we can wrap it up. It's doing the thing. It's doing the thing. I'm over leveraged for this, to be honest. Okay. I will take the 500 profit. So we're trying to pass to do the max win in one trade is so what a recipe for a lot of volatility. Okay, I'm okay with taking 500. Let's see. It grabs me 700, 900. Okay. We made 700. I will show you the executions. I was in with 3 minis, so 30 micros. And now we are working through this level. So here we do have a strong double top, right? We took this level of liquidity. Now, if we want to go down, did we break 50% of this? We didn't close above 50%. This is bearish, right? This is where you would have the bearish SBFs. If it's materializing, it's like this: 1, 2, 3. Well, 4 and 5. Okay, if you use these tiny swings, we need to see it on the 1 minute. Yeah, well, there's fractals, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there is a count if we want to go down from this SNDR, which has not been breached 50%. This though is a very strong signal, right? So we came back, we did a double bottom in the SNDR responsible, and we pushed up. We couldn't push above 50%, so we're doing it now. Now we gauge a response. Okay. So our read was correct. We could try to wait for a retest and re-enter again. See if he gives it. Okay. Now I re-entered again. Scalping this. So I only need 500 to go for the max win. 200 profit. I will show you the executions after this. Let's see if he wants to do the... Well, it did mark a weird SNDR now that I see he uses this candle. So now... the actual SNDR is this one, right? Still, this will be a sweep and double top. Right, so... tentatively bullish. Possibly until this level. We can break down. It's 11:10. Not specific turn of the hour has happened. The injection of volatility. Volatility. And yep, these candles are pretty huge, so okay, this is a rejection. 24 minutes recording. Can we read the 15-second candles? This, if you see, this is something I want to see. I want to see the valid highs and valid lows. Okay. So we'll hold him for dear life on this, the creation of this valid. Where's the valid low created here? Where was it? Is it on this icon? Oh yeah, it's here. So yes. The valid high hasn't been created. This candle hasn't been violated. So let's see. Let's see, it was not the best entry, mine. Let's see if we can go break even soonish. I want to show you my entries. Okay, we're break even. And it's running up to 100. Does not want to continue to the upside. Well, okay, now it's continuing. Okay. I only need 250 more. 300. Okay, I took the 250. These are small caps. Of course, as soon as I close it, it bolts. We are 200 away from the max win. I really don't need to push it, to be honest. But I can show you what's happening. Let me see if I can. Let me do it like this. So I can show you. I've been scalping a new evaluation. Well, the original push was correct, but then I trailed yeah, a little bit too aggressively, so I did take, and then we did an add on the I did the buy stop at the break of a certain level of this high. So I re-entered here on the double bottom that we called, then added, and then I closed it up 700, and then some more scalps, and so we're up 1200. I mean, I used the evaluation for me are I treat them this way. So read when market structure and order flow is clear, I just go for it, and these are not thousands of dollars. These is costing me $50, so I treat it as a $50 trade. So it's not really properly educative. It's not the way. Yeah, the way I treated my personal account, one trade and done. I traded a little bit too aggressively. I could have made. I made 400, and I could have made 8, 12, 1500. But it is what it is. We did scalp this range with the idea that we did catch basically the bottom, which I nice. That's nice. That's not something easy to do or common. So I would say yeah, half an hour video. Nobody watches my executions anyway, so I hope you found it interesting. I did show you how I chose. I was looking for a logic area where the reversal would happen, and then we based our read on the market structure actually giving us the signal, and we built a narrative. We did double check. I just want to straighten up this the actual proper SNDRs. So because it depends on the size of the swings, this is something I've been explaining as we prepare for the release of my indicator, there's a few things you need to know. And what you need to know is that for SNDRs, you need to specify how many candles you're going to use to define the swings. So I had probably a very low setting, so I did use this candle. So it's enough to have one candle to the right, one candle to the left, or you could use as slightly wider swings. Now, this area was the area responsible for breaking this zone low. Right, then we flipped market structure on a low time frame. In the minutes you don't see it, but we do see it on the 15 seconds. That's why I love it. So we had the X-ray that other people not looking at 15 seconds, they didn't see this, right? So zone high. So we did a flip. I actually call it market structure shift or whatever. So we had a market structure shift, right? Then we did break a level, right? So we see this upper local close was broken to the upside. So we did have a bullish, bullish flip here. Okay, what's the area that pushed price? Is this one. We came down to, we did a swing, we came down and then broke on it. Then we came back to retest it, and we could not breach this level, right? So this is to give us confidence that the narrative might have switched. Now this was the area responsible for pushing price down. So here is now, now we're now failing. So yeah, might have been a temporary relief to the short, and we got a small part of piece of it. So I am not upset about this. See, there's traders. There's a famous recording that says, "Look, there's people making money going long and short the whole day. Who's right or wrong? As long as you're making money, doesn't matter." So that's what I have for you today. And the camera does something weird. Alright, it's cut. It's not cut properly. Okay, anyway. 616 subscribers. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for that. If this is the first time you watch me, or the second, the third, and you are not subscribed, please do it. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers. And when we do, you have the chance to use the indicators you've seen used. Some are already free. You can get them at the link in the description below, and some will be, with the subscription. If you like them, you try them, evaluate them. If they fit your trading style, you use them. Thank you for watching, and I talk to you soon. Ciao.